So we've reached the part of the series that everyone wants to know more about. How do we make some moolah doing this content stuff? Because let's be honest, getting paid for doing something you love is a win-win. To quote the Joker from The Dark Knight,
"If you're good at something, never do it for free."
So this episode is all about learning the different requirements in order to start making money on your favorite content platform and how to market yourself to set yourself up for brand deals. So let's get into it. Like always, check out that link in the description for the link to the document I made for you to follow along in the series. Alright, so monetization. I want to put some caveats and disclaimers out there before we dive in with key points. A lot of creators got into making content because we genuinely love what we do, and making money just happened to be an added bonus. For me, I absolutely love playing video games and love being able to share that love with my community and meet fellow like-minded people all across the world. Even if I only made $5 for the rest of my content journey, I would still love posting silly videos and streaming with my friends. Some people get into content creation thinking that they're going to make $1 million straight out the gate. And while that may be the path for some, it is a very rare thing to have that type of success in such a rapid way. This life takes time and considerable effort. So I just want to make sure you have the right mindset when you're embarking on this journey. So now let's get into the details. How do we monetize? The answer depends on which platform you choose to post content on. Let's look at the requirements for the most common platforms: Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. First up is Twitch. There are different tiers of monetization on Twitch. The first tier is to become a Twitch affiliate. This requires you to have 50 followers, an average of 3 viewers in a 30-day period, and stream for 12 hours in 30 days. Then your viewers will be able to subscribe to your channel, give subs to others, and send this currency called bits, and you will have access to ad revenue at this point as well. Affiliates earn a 50-50 split with the money they receive, but have the opportunity for a 60-40 and 70-30 split if they earn plus points over 100 or 300 points for 3 consecutive months. This is a new program that was recently introduced to Twitch in 2024. Next in the tier list is Twitch Partner. The requirements include an average of 75 viewers, stream for at least 25 hours on 12 different days in a 30-day period. And you must be consistent for months before being accepted into the partner program. You maintain all of the same benefits as an affiliate, but have access to higher revenue splits and ad revenue bonuses. So with these changes Twitch made last year, it's easy to make some pretty decent money as an affiliate if you're consistently growing and retaining your subscribers. Subscriptions are about $5.99 per month, and the money that we talked about, bits, are worth 1 cent per bit. And you can get them to your favorite streamers to hype them up. If you've ever noticed some of the bigger creators, they have daily and monthly sub goals so that their community knows what they're trying to achieve for the month so that they're retaining their subscribers each month going forward. There are many different things on the platform that help you reward your subscribers for being consistent subscribers to your channel, so definitely use that to your advantage. Alright, next up, YouTube. YouTube has their own creator partner program that is broken down into 2 levels. The requirements are 500 subscribers, which is different than Twitch subscribers because you can subscribe for free. You must have 3,000 watch hours on a long-form video in 365 days, or have 3 million views on a shorts video in the past 90 days. The next level is 1K subscribers, 4K watch hours in a year, and 10 million short views in 90 days. Once you're in the program, you can earn around 0.01 to 0.03 cents per view. So, for every 1,000 views, a creator can earn around $10 to $30 for those views. The exact detailed breakdown of how ad revenue plays into your payout for live streams and regular videos were initially a little vague. However, the YouTube team recently posted some videos on how to better understand their monetization process and discuss their ad revenue. So long story short, ad revenue plus views on your video get you paid in their partner program. For long form videos, you get 55% of ad revenue, For Shorts, you get another 45%. And this is another plug for checking out that Creator Insider YouTube channel where they talk about understanding the YouTube Partner Program and understanding the algorithm. Additionally, the YouTube Creator Program has something called fan funding. Subscribers pay for memberships to your channel, and the membership fees can range from anywhere from $7.99 to $30 per month. The breakdown of the split is 70-30. Definitely go check out the Creator Insider channel on YouTube because they have a lot of good information from the creators of that program and the CEOs of YouTube where they explain that process. I'll link the videos in the description. So we've talked about Twitch, we've talked about YouTube, let's talk about TikTok. So TikTok, we've got to talk about it. Right now in the US, TikTok is in contention and we may not have access to the app, but right now we're going to continue on as if we do. But it's still worth mentioning because a lot of creators have found significant amount of success with monetization on this platform. So let's talk about the requirements. So the requirements for TikTok Creator Program are you must be 18 years or older, have 10,000 followers, have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. If you're still trying to grow and work your way into the creator program, you are still eligible for TikTok Live rewards and subscriptions to your channel. TikTok Live rewards and gifts are purchased through TikTok coins, which can cost anywhere from 84 cents to $210. The TikTok creator program pays about $0.4 to $1 per 1,000 views, and they recently increased their revenue per mile back in September of 2024 to reflect the numbers above that we just mentioned. You can also post sponsored content or ads on TikTok to help generate revenue from that. So there are so many different avenues for monetizing on TikTok. So while the requirements make the creator program a little bit steep to get into, there are still ways to make money on the app before you even get into the creator program. Lastly, Instagram. There is no specific creator program for Instagram. They may be coming out with things in the future, but right now, no specific creator program. However, they do give you the opportunity to sell merchandise on their platform and have sponsored and ad type content. And you can also have badges that can be gifted by your followers on your live streams. 2 years ago, Instagram introduced these subscriptions for memberships for access to your content. So if you have special broadcast channels or special stories or posts, essentially insider access, this is what they created the subscriptions for. And these subscriptions can range anywhere from $10 to $100, and you set that price yourself. There are requirements to have access to these subscriptions, and is as follows. You must have 10,000 followers and be in a region that offers this feature. Easy, right? So compared to the other platforms, this one seems the most follower subscriber dependent as there are no embedded revenue splits for ads. Whichever platform you choose, definitely take some more time to research the things that I mentioned in this episode. I didn't cover everything. I tried to give you the most important things, ad splits and how you get access to these programs, but there's definitely more you can learn for each platform. And like I said, you have to figure out which platform works the best for you. And even still, you don't have to limit yourself to one platform. The wave of the future is diversifying your content, so multi-streaming or posting to multiple platforms to maximize your potential. That is highly recommended and the way of the future for being a content creator. So the last topic that I want to get into is something called media kits. You've chosen the platform you want to earn money on and you want to start marketing yourself to brands and sponsors. Well, before you even get to that point, you need to have something called a media kit. And this provides analytics and is essentially your pitch to a brand. In the next episode, I talk about how to approach brands and sponsors, but we're going to talk about the basics of a media kit. Your media kit is essentially an overview of who you are as a creator and what type of content you make, and kind of acts like your digital portfolio or resume that you can send to brands and sponsors you want to work with, so that they get an idea of you as an influencer and creator and the type of numbers you pull for your content. The media kit helps expand your social reach and opens up new streams of revenue for your content. And it can open up things like affiliate links with brands or discounts or being sent PR by these brands. And it's super important to have this media kit. To make it easy, there are several websites like Beacon that will create a media kit for you and pull your analytics from each of your platforms. You just have to sign into your accounts. Or you can use a website to grab that data and create a specific one that you want to make in like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Here is just a quick example of my media kit that I created using a template in Canva. I use Beacon to get all of my analytics and then put that into my document. It's really, really important to keep this updated because you never know what opportunities can arise from someone watching your content or from attending cons. So always be prepared and always update it at least 4 times throughout the year. So I just wanted to touch briefly on media kits to highlight their importance in the monetization process. But if you want me to do an in-depth video, let me know the concepts and we'll go over how to specifically make it and talk about other websites that make it for you. So I know this was a relatively short episode, but we covered a lot as far as the basic requirements that you need for the most popular platforms for monetizing your content. There are so many avenues that you can take towards monetizing your content. The most important thing I've learned over my past 4 years of streaming is to diversify your content and post to multiple platforms, if you have the bandwidth to handle posting to multiple platforms. But like I mentioned in the beginning of the episode, don't be discouraged if you aren't making millions out of the gate with posting your content. Set realistic goals for yourself and remember the most important thing is to have fun in whatever content you are making and being consistent with it, or it won't be worth it in the long run. So we only have one more episode left, and it's a super special episode on learning how to collab and network with other creators. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which platform you think you want to start on. I can't wait to see you in the finale episode. Reaper out.